Okay, I've seen those videos, and I'm sure you've seen those videos of that cute donkey that like plays with the inflatable chicken. And for some reason, Cooper's terrified of them. I had one for a while, and Cooper's scared of it. Murphy's scared of it. So I need some ideas on something that could be enriching. Things for my sweet little energy-filled donkey to play with. He just needs a toy, like, or something enriching. Like we had one of those, like those red balls with a handle on it that you see horses playing with and donkeys playing with, and he was uninterested in that either. Maybe he would run and round things. I don't know. He plays with Murphy here, and he plays with the chickens. He chases the chickens. But I feel like he needs more ways to burn energy. So give me ideas for, like, I don't know, enrichment for donkeys.